We are pleased to show you the 2018 Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, black door handles, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, 8 speakers, low tire pressure warning, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.